Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are well. Again in this video lecture students we have a question, and in this time you have to verify the answer of this determinant is equals to this one. Without wasting time, we consider left hand side the matrix form, that is 1 alpha beta gamma, 1 beta alpha gamma, 1 gamma, and then alpha beta. Okay, now what we have to do students, first we apply the property here. Which property we can use here? What we have to do, we simply write the column 1, that is 1 alpha beta gamma, and after that subtract C1 from C2, C2 minus C1, and subtract C1 from C3, C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. It means 1 minus this one, 1 minus 1. Beta minus alpha, beta is as it is, and this alpha should be minus from beta. Then gamma alpha as it is minus corresponding element, that is beta and gamma. In the next one minus this one. After that gamma minus alpha. Then alpha beta minus beta gamma. In this way, the element of 1 2 and the element of 1 3 both is converted into 0. 1 0 0. Now alpha and beta gamma, beta minus alpha, alpha gamma minus beta gamma, gamma minus alpha, and then alpha beta minus beta gamma. Okay students, now what we have to do, when we have got these two elements as 0, we just expand the matrix with the help of this first element. Okay, we expand A11, first row and first column. It means we have got the matrix of 2 by 2, that is beta minus alpha, alpha gamma minus beta gamma, then gamma minus alpha, and then alpha beta minus beta gamma. Students, now what we have to do, we can do one thing here. Okay, again I am copying down this one, beta minus alpha and gamma minus alpha as it is. Take common gamma, then we have got alpha minus beta. Take common beta, then we have got alpha minus gamma. In the next step, we know that we have to multiply this one, the main diagonal. The main diagonal is beta minus alpha, multiply with beta into beta alpha minus gamma. With the minus sign, now multiply these one. This is gamma minus alpha, gamma, and then alpha minus beta. Okay students, now what we have to do, you can observe here that we have beta minus alpha, alpha minus beta. We need the alpha minus beta in the right hand side. If you have seen here, we need alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, and gamma minus alpha. Now what we can do, we take common minus sign. So this sign, this bracket or this product term is converted into alpha minus beta, minus beta as it is, and then alpha minus gamma. Now from this side we take common, then it is converted into gamma minus alpha, minus gamma minus alpha, and this gamma can be written like here, alpha minus beta. Okay, this minus is multiplied with minus, minus minus plus, so we have got alpha minus beta into beta into gamma minus alpha, minus sign common, sorry, minus sign according to the term, and then we have got gamma minus alpha, and then alpha minus beta. Now what we have to do, students, alpha minus beta, common, gamma minus alpha and gamma minus alpha at both the terms. So we can take out common for alpha minus beta and gamma minus alpha. Okay, alpha minus beta common, and gamma minus alpha common. So from this term we have got beta. We write here beta minus, in this term we have got gamma. So alpha minus beta, gamma minus alpha, and beta minus gamma, which is required in the right hand side. You can see here alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, and gamma minus alpha. Alpha minus beta, gamma minus alpha, and beta minus gamma. Okay students, till the next video, you all take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.